I just want to explain how to use this product right here. This the wiring harness is AXT0-CH1 that will fit 04 to 09. So here's the plug that go to the factory harness, and then from here you don't need to hook this white and gray, the white black and white gray. I mean white black, white and gray, black and gray. So the white and the gray, you don't need to plug that in. So you want to plug this thing to this little terminal right here. I'm not sure how many. And then you have the main harness. From here you want to hook it up to your whatever kind of radio you have, Pioneer, JVC, Kenwood, whatever. Plug, match the same color. You got white, gray, purple, green. And then also don't forget to hook up the 3-wire. So on this case it's a Boss radio, so you got the power antenna or amp kit, power amp or amp turn on, the same one for this model. So when you turn the radio on, or turn the if you turn the radio on, it will send a 12-volt to the remote wire right here. This remote, this 3 blue and white right here, that's to amp turn on. So a lot of time like a Pioneer, they have blue and white. So you want to hook up blue and white, and then you got the red, and then you got the yellow, and then you got the black. And then after that, just tape them all up and plug it back in, just like so. And of course I like to leave it out like this a little bit so I can see what wire I'm doing right there. I want to show you right here. See right here, if you don't want to bear wire out like that, like copper sticking out like that, it can touch the ground and burn up the radio or pop the fuse. So you want to tape that too. I kind of want to show it right here. So you want to tape it like so, and also make sure you tape this illumination wire. Now what I'm going to be using is 996510. For the 996510, it does come with a single DIN and a double DIN. So you want to keep this two right here. You don't need this. That's for the single DIN. And then you're going to use this and the factory, the aftermarket screw right here. And if you're not sure, you don't have to look at the manual. If you're not sure, you just look at that. You see how that dot right there is on the top, so that means this is on the top. So don't get confused like this and it won't fit. You want to go like so and just come to the radio. Make sure you put this on the side. Start it from there first. You can see they say left, so you want to start that from the left. See that tongue right there? It should fit like so. And then do the other side. And now you want to slide it down like that, and then use the screw and screw one here, one there, and then on each side, 2 screws on each side. You can do it like that because it's not going to move if you put 2 like that. Usually it's 1 up and 1 lower, but you can also do like that, and then here you go. Now for the antenna adapter, you will need AD-CR1. It's plugged in like that. So now you're gonna plug the main plug to the factory harness, and you got that hooked up. You don't need these, you don't need the rest of them. And then now you want to grab your radio and plug one plug, and another one. Don't forget your antenna, and put it back. There, you want to keep this on the top a little bit, maybe if it's, make sure it can go in like so, and use your 4 screw that you had earlier. Once you're done, take it back. Make sure the hole fit on there. This hole right here. Make sure it go in that one spot hole. Tap it in. Turn the key on. See the radio's playing or not. Push your source button. Make sure you don't forget the 2 screws that underneath here. Give it a couple seconds. Put the amp turn on. Yep, it's working. Grab your tool and you're done.